Today we'll be taking the flamethrower arm that we built in the previous video and decorating it to make it look a little bit more finished. Our flamethrower arm is built and functional. It's up and running, but at this point it does look thrown together, which it is. And if you like the mad scientist look, then this is doing pretty good. But I think what I want to be going for is the cartoon mad scientist look. So I want to make it look all sort of sleek and carefully put together. Here's what we're going to do. We've got some craft foam that we'll cut, glue, and paint, and then attach onto the flamethrower arm to hopefully make it look like a slick, finished product rather than the thrown together workings of a mad engineer. There will be two basic sections divided at the hinge. We'll have an upper arm portion and a lower arm portion. These sheets of craft foam are something that I love to use. I've used them quite a bit. They're 1/4 of an inch thick. I get them at Hobby Lobby where they cost $1.27 each. We've got a bunch of them and now we need to make them look like something really cool. The wood frame that I have here holding the bottles in place, I think that's kind of going to be a guide, and I'll try and make the foam rest right up against that. That'll give it a little bit of support. And we can see that this upper arm portion is going to end up being fairly large, but overall this is going to look like a giant, bulky, crazy thing that's going on my arm, which is what I'm hoping for. This handle's got to be able to move in and out. When it's open it fits, but when I close it, it runs into the foam. So we'll cut a little space for that. And we won't just leave that open. I'll end up going in and adding some other little Iron Man type box to go around that or something. All right, it's not like completely strapped onto my arm. I'm holding it with my other hand at the moment, but it's just a test fit with all of the built-on armor elements just to look good. The lights are going a little bit. Now I need to take all of the decorative armor portions off, paint it all up, put it back on, and attach the lighting in a little bit more permanent way. And at that point, this sucker will be good to go. Step one, painting this foam, is going to be to hit it with the heat gun. We'll then go over it with a couple of layers of Plasti Dip, then a primer, and then our colors. At this point, the cover piece that goes on top of the flamethrower is now built. It's wired up with some electric lights, which I can control with a little knob on the side. I think it looks great. It looks metallic. It looks really cool. Very cartoon, evil mastermind sort of thing, which is what I was going for. Got our dragon logo here on the side. Let's fit this bad boy on. The two exhaust burners in the back actually just fit right over our propane tanks, and then we've got a little circle up here in the front that fits right over our solenoid. Once all three of those connection points are on there, it actually does a pretty good job of staying on pretty nice and snug. The hinge in the cosmetic arm lines up pretty nicely with the hinge in the functional part of the arm. Let's strap this thing on and give it a test. Open the valve so we're taking fuel from both tanks. Yeah! That's so great! Guys, check out the other videos where we showed you how we built the internals of the flamethrower, and of course where we just went out and showed it off, using the thing, burning stuff, all that good fun. Guys, we've always got more cool content for you to see. Check out more of the flamethrower here on the side, and if you hit this bomb in the middle, you'll be subscribed to our channel so you never miss out on a video. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.